Hey guys, welcome to History 2.6b. Okay, 2.6b. So 2.6a was when you were watching the video and taking notes and making the organization chart, right? So 2.6b is where you're going to be taking notes on the entire section, which you're like, oh, I read the entire section. Okay, it's only 3 countries that you're going through, so we're not going to die, right? We're only going through China, Mongolia, and Taiwan. So this starts on page 68. Page 68 with the map there of the Far East. Go ahead and look at the map so you see where the countries are that we're studying this week, right? Today that we're studying Mongolia, which is right above China. And then we have China, and then we have Taiwan, right? Which is the little island to the right of China in the yellow. Okay, so those are the 3 ones that we're going to be focusing on in this outline today. So this is how I want you to take the notes. I want you to have Roman numeral 1 is the Far East general information. So don't forget that you have to display, after having a Roman numeral, you have A and B. After A, you have 1, 2, 3. After 1, 2, 3, you have A, B, C. The little A, B, C, if you decide to go all the way down there, right? If you have that many details. In the Far East general, I'm sure you were not going to have that many details. That only covers page 68. 1 paragraph on page 69, plus the Far East vegetation and wildlife section that has that really cool plant that you're going to see, okay, and how big it is. So that is all in the Far East general. And then you're going to Roman numeral number 2, which is Chinese sphere. Okay, the Chinese sphere, so that's the introduction to the countries around around China. So you're going to be giving me letter A, points about land, letter B, points about climate. Okay, so that's all in there. You should include all these important words about, steppe, grasslands, the Gobi, the Plateau of Tibet. Those are all huge landmarks there, landforms, right? And then it goes on to page 71 as well, okay? After the Chinese sphere for land and climate, you have Roman numeral number 3. They don't have any specific headings under Mongolia, so I just put Roman numeral number 3. You get to decide what your letter A is, what your letter B is, what your letter C is, what your number 1 is, 2, 3, etc. But there's a lot of different things to talk about here. The Mongol Empire, Genghis Khan, Marco Polo. Okay, so there's plenty of things to talk about. Then you have what I do really want you to include is, no, actually I'm going to add something at the end. Okay, then you go to page 72. You're going to be in China, which is Roman numeral number 4. Letter A is people and cultures. Letter B is resources and industries. All your information should come under those 2 things, okay? But you can also have general information as well, since you have a paragraph of the unique topography and everything like that. So if you want to include letter A as general and then move those down, you're more than welcome to do that. Then that goes all the way to page 73. Don't do anything with the yellow boxes of Marco Polo and the Pinyin system yet. Okay, go to page 74. That's also China as well. Don't do the Tibet Land of Mystery yet. You're all in China here. You keep going until you get to Taiwan. That's Roman numeral number 5. People and cultures of Taiwan, resources and industries of Taiwan. Okay, that's going to be a shorter section. It's a smaller country, etc. Then I want you to add Roman numeral 6. I don't need to write it up here for you. So just Roman numeral 6 is going to be miscellaneous information of the Far East. Miscellaneous information of the Far East. That's where I want you to include letter A, Marco Polo. Letter B, the Pinyin system. Letter C, Tibet, the land of mystery. Okay, so that's what you need to do for that one. Then you're going to be doing section 6 review 1 through 8. And what I want you to do is send me an audio. Send me an audio of no more than 2 minutes. No more than 2 minutes. Explaining to me 3 of the identify in your own words. So you pick 3 of those that you want to explain to me in your own words. The Taklamakan, the Marco Polo, the Pinyin system, the Dalai Lama, the Great Silk Road, Mao Zedong, or Shanghai. Okay, so let me repeat those again so you have the pronunciation when you say it on this audio. Taklamakan, Marco Polo, Pinyin system, Dalai Lama, Great Silk Road, Mao Zedong, and Shanghai. So you pick 3 of those, send me an audio, no more than 2 minutes explaining those in your own words. And that is your section for today. Have fun. Bye.